What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Mr. Krabs from Spongebob Squarepants. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. We'll start with a curve that looks like a C from the top going around and then in. And let's go up to the top. We're going to draw a wave that goes up, down, and then up towards the tip of the nose. Go to the bottom. I'm just going to follow that same curve and taper it out towards a point. Now let's move down directly underneath the nose and draw a curve for the mouth. Coming down and then up. Let's round out the side of the mouth. Just pull that back in towards the bottom. And we'll round out the bottom, coming down and then back up. Let's separate the mouth in half with a curve right in the center, coming down and up. And I'll add these short lines going across that line. Let's trace the mouth along the outside. From the left, we're going to go around, come down, and then in, and then do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to step out and draw another curve for the neck, coming down, across, and then up. Now I want to layer the top of the head in behind, so I'm going to step out, go up above the nose, come down, just fill in that gap over on the right side. From the top of the head, we're going to stretch the eyes going up. So let's start with a gap in the center. On the left side, we're going to bend this up, round out the eye, come down the outside, and then back in, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Going up towards the same height, come around, and then bend that back in. Now in the middle of each eye, I'm going to draw a small oval for the pupils. And then along top, add a curve going up and then down. And then we'll fill the bottom in black. Let's add the eyebrows along the top. Starting in the middle, we're going to go up and then back down. Now let's add one more on either side, just pointing out. So we'll go out and back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start right underneath the chin with a V, coming down and then up. From the top of the V, let's add the collar, coming down and out, and then go up underneath the head. Now from the neck, we're going to draw a straight line going out across the sleeves, and we'll curve the edge of the sleeve, coming in and then back out. Let's bend the arm, coming in and then up towards the side. Now I want to draw the arms coming out from the middle of the sleeve. So we'll start at the bottom, draw a straight line going out towards the elbows. From the elbow, draw a straight angle line coming down and in. Now we're going to go back to the left and draw the claw, coming down and then up towards the outside. Let's add a curve going across the bottom of the claw. We go up and then down. Let's add a couple more coming in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw the top edge of the claw going up. Let's add two curves going down and up. And do that one more time. Now from here, we're going to draw the top of the claw going up and then bend that down towards the wrist. Let's draw the outside of the arm. We're going to step up, draw another straight line going out towards the elbow, round out the elbow, and then come down on top of the claw. Let's wrap the sleeve along the back side of the arm. We're just going to bend this down and in. And it'll fill the inside of the sleeves in black. Now we're going to go underneath the sleeves and curve the body, going out and then down in behind the claws. And then from here, draw the bottom edge of the pant. We're going to go up and then bend that down. In the center of the body, we're going to draw a rectangle for the buckle, leaving a gap underneath the pants, round out the corners, round out the bottom, and go across. Let's trace the buckle along the inside. Now let's draw the top edge of the belt. From the top corners of the buckle, step down, follow that same curve going out in behind the claws. From the bottom of the buckle, step up and do the same thing. Let's draw in the belt loops with 2 lines on either side. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the belt. Now I want to go down underneath the claws and curve the body, coming down and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Leave a gap for the legs and draw another curve in the center. Just leave a large gap in the middle, go to the left side, I'm going to angle the leg, coming down and out on both sides with a short line. Go all the way out towards the hip, draw another straight angled line. Let's close out the bottom with a curve. Now we're going to see the tips of the feet underneath, so we're going to come down, round of the foot, and pull it back up. Now underneath the buckle, we're going to add that fly with 2 lines on either side. And we'll sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mr. Krabs from Spongebob Squarepants. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.